So you meet something like this now, and they say find the domain. So to find the domain, you want to find the values of x where this graph actually exists. So we know that from looking at this thing, we know that x cannot be equal to 1 because 1 minus 1 is 0. So we cannot have a denominator of 0. And this whole thing, since it's natural logarithm of inside anything regarding logarithms, it cannot be negative inside. So what happens if you take let me just switch this on. It works better when it's on. So that will give you math error. But then if you make it positive just by deleting that one, you get a value immediately. So what about ln of 0? That also gives you math error. So, okay, that you have known now. So now we look for values where this thing is 0. So we say, okay, let's say x over 1 minus x greater than 0. So this one, cross multiply, you have x greater than 0. So it says greater than 0 and it cannot be 1. So now, okay, fine. We get that. It's not equal to 0, it's greater than 0. But now we have another situation again. What happens if this number is greater than 1? When this number is greater than 1, what happens is that it becomes extremely positive. So it's 1 minus a very big number, or let me say 1.1. So the answer will be negative 0.1 divided by the 1.1 that you had there. So you have a small number divided by a big number, which is negative. So the answer will be negative something. Let me just call it negative sigma. So now we have a problem because we cannot have a negative inside that one, so it will be undefined. But as soon as if it's equal to 1, it's not defined. So the domain of this function will be just 0 and 1, not equal to that. And that's all.